Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok and create a video or record your video in TikTok app. Then here, once your video is ready, tap next as if you're going to post it. Then before posting, scroll down and tap who can watch this video and select only me and make sure the option Save to Device is turned on. And then tap Post, and this video won't be visible to others since it's set to only me, but it will automatically save to your phone's gallery. If you don't want it on TikTok, you can go to your profile and open the video and tap the three dots to delete it. And copy in your gallery will remain. And that's it. Now you can save the TikTok videos to your gallery without anyone else seeing them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.